first transition natin, alam nyo na. Diba? So, ito ang kapatid niya. Or ito yung sarapin sa technique na i-apply natin. Okay? Sitting up. Sitting on the stomach. Okay? So, anong initial reaction ng tao? Once na nakaganitong position, anong reaction niya? So, okay. Switch. Up. Sit. Balance. Okay. Anong initial reaction niya? So, to push you down. Push you down. Okay. So, ito yung pako. Nakahook na rito. Okay. One transition move. Push. Forward. Okay. One more. Chest to chest. Switch your hips. Base. Base. Up. Sit. Okay. Then push. Forward. Okay. So next. Number 2 transition. Chest to chest. Base. Switch your hips. Up. So, ito ang instinct niya. Push tayo. Then move. Push. Grab. Push. One more. Base. Switch your hips. Sitting up. Then push. Grab. Okay. Then switch your hips. Down. Okay. Then up. Or switch. Up. Okay. That's number 2. Number 3. Okay. Base. Switch your hips. Pull. Sit. Okay. Initial. So, ito. Pagkakal niya lagi. So, dito tayo lagi pupunta. Sige, push. Grab. Okay. Grab by your chest. Hook. Left side. Shoulder 2. One more. Wala. Okay na. Chest to chest. Base. Switch your hips. Grab the arm. Sit. Push. Okay. Grab by your chest. Okay. Try to escape. So, wala na. Okay, lock. Next transition. That's it. Okay. That's number 3. Okay. Number 4. Arm lock. Chest to chest. Base. Switch your hips. Up. Position. Arm lock. Okay. Arm bar. Then transition. Then switch. Push again. Arm bar. Push again. Yes. That's 4 transitions from knee on the belly. Sitting on the knee on the belly. Okay. Okay, let's proceed. I hope